presenting the raw LGS framing and sheeting system. This system consists of 3 distinct stations. First, the framing station, where LGS profiles are assembled with precision in alignment with the construction plans. Next, a value-add station enables manual integration of insulation, wiring, and other necessary components. The process culminates at the sheeting station, where sheeting, cutting, marking, and optional plastering are automated. Let's now examine the workflow for constructing an LGS wall element. A work cycle initiates as the LGS profile magazine is loaded onto the system. Following this, the raw bridge automatically positions and secures all internal LGS profiles on a magnetic table. The system is flexible and can handle various LGS profile dimensions, supporting the construction of roof, floor, and wall elements. Fast forwarding to when all internal profiles are in place, it's time to attach the top and bottom profiles. These profiles are secured using a dual screw gun setup at the Z-axis and gable positions on the raw bridge. Note that either bridge can scan the element at any point in the process to automatically verify its shape and profile placements against the construction plan. Once screwed, the completed frame is moved to the value-add station, where components like wires and insulation are manually installed. It's worth noting that an additional raw bridge can be incorporated at this station to automate the insulation process fully. Once the manual value addition is complete, the element is transferred by the raw bridge to the final station. Here, the element undergoes sheeting, with sheets sourced from a stack linked to the raw bridge to enhance efficiency. After a sheet is aligned and placed, it's secured with 2 nail or staple guns. Subsequent to fastening, necessary cuts for doors, windows, electrical outlets, and other utilities are made. Fast forwarding once more, specific instructions or, as in this case, element identifiers are marked on the element using an inkjet printer. For floor elements, entire floor plans can even be printed as guidance for future assembly. While this demonstration focused on constructing a wall element, it's important to note that the system is versatile enough to handle roof, floor, exterior, and interior walls. Additionally, the system can be arranged in parallel lines, each dedicated to a specific element type. This allows for an efficient factory layout, enhanced throughput, and redundancy, leading to a safer and more fail-proof setup.